Hey everybody, good morning. Thought we'd start by having a chat. So, as you know, we had a problem with the order from GoPro directly, that we ordered from GoPro. The camera was faulty, GoPro didn't want to do anything about it. Then they gave us a hard time getting our money back. We finally did get the money back months later. Anyway, full circle, I tried a DJI Action 4 camera. That's not going to work for us. We do all of our filming outside. Typically, it could be windy. Could be a lot of noise sources outside. So the DJI Action 4, I could not overcome the wind sound. No matter what I did for the microphones, I bought a windsock for the camera. Nothing I did would get rid of the wind sound. So, full circle, we're going to give the GoPro 12 another try. Maybe in fact, I know they've done some updates to it. So maybe whatever was wrong with the other camera, since that was the very first one, when we got it, they had just released it. So I'm hoping that this one's better. GoPro is what we've always used. I've had GoPros since the GoPro 3. Anyway, here's my GoPro 12, a media mod, and a Casey case. Let's get started. We know what the media mod is, so we'll get to that a little bit later. But right now, let's open up the GoPro 12. So it comes in this little egg crate looking thing. Your camera must be updated before it can be used. Quick start guide. Tips for cold weather with your battery. Product questions, chat with our experts at GoPro.com. Here's the camera. Comes with the cord, the battery, a mount. Looks like a helmet mount. Okay, let's put this back in here for right now. Oops. And let's get all this off of it. Ooh, that one's really stuck. Wow. There we go. Okay. One on the back. Now, chances are this battery is not charged, so I'm going to go grab a different battery. I've got an SD card, and I have a battery for it. Let's get it started here. Put the SD card in. Gotta go find it first. SD card is in. Battery is in. Door is closed. Well, let's turn it on and see what we got. I don't want that on. Okay, I gotta go get my iPad. It has found my camera. Connect camera. pairing. It found it. Now it's going to do its update. Trying to get a flat space for it to sit on. Continue, accept. Don't go anywhere. Almost done, don't go anywhere. We're transferring the update to your camera. It's almost done, folks. 98, 99, 100% done. Let's see what it's going to do now. Now it should power off, come back to life, and hopefully be ready to go. Updating. Installing the update. This may take several minutes. Should be ready for use now. Looks like it's ready to go. Update complete. Hero 12 is ready. Okay, close the app. You're fine. The dog is shaking. She didn't like the beeps that the GoPro made. It's okay. You're okay. The first thing I always do with any of these cameras is I shut off the beeps. Okay, this is the media mod. Let's get this opened up. If we can get it out of the box. Comes with your general pamphlets. Here is the mod. Has another bracket, another mount point. To use the media mod, it connects to this side of the camera. Let's get down to that. Let me close that. In fact, we'll just shut it off. Okay, so it connects to this side of the camera. These doors are really hard to open when the camera's new. Almost had it. Got the door open. This door is really hard to open when the camera's new. You take it off, put it aside. Don't lose your door, because you're going to need your door later, possibly, if you ever take it out of the mod. Now, here is the media mod. You've got to get the microphone cozy on. Okay. Then you put your camera in it. Close the door. Turn the camera back on. Media mod connected. This mic is set to front. Tap video settings to change it or set up a shortcut. We always do a shortcut so that I have it on my screen that I can go front or rear. Since we're usually videoing outwards, I usually have the media mod set to rear because I'm standing behind the camera, but there are times that we're in front of it and I flip it the other way. So we're going to put a shortcut on the screen. So I've got my shortcuts set on my camera, how I want them. It took me a while. I had to look up some videos to figure out how to do it, but I've got it. Now we're just going to back out of here. Got my microphone set, my lens set. It's ready to go. so we've opened the camera. We've opened the media mod. Let's open up the Casey case. Open up the other side too. Okay. So you can rearrange this however you want it, or you could take this all the way out. It's just Velcroed in. As I always say in my videos, throw these away. Your pets, your kids could get into this. If they eat it, it can kill them. Throw them away right away. Comes with a little bag. All right, let's get it set up. This is my case for the GoPro 11. This is how I prefer it to be set up. So we're going to mimic that over on the new case. So I've got it how I like it. Now I'm going to put the extra divider in the bag, which works as a little bit of cushion in here anyway. Check for more pellets. There are no more pellet bags in here. Okay, now we're ready to set it up. I move everything over to the 12 case so that I can get it set up how I like it. My Volta stick, my remote. And I might not need these mounts right away. Here's my light. We'll leave that stuff in there for right now, and I'm leaving a battery in my 11 case. See what's in here. That's probably okay for right now too. 12 did not come with its own stick, but that's okay because I have an extra one. So we're going to go ahead and put that on it. It's got the collapsible feet. It should be ready to go. There it is. Ready to go. So I will start using that now. Right now I'm videoing this camera with my GoPro 11. But now we're going to change over to the GoPro 12 and start using that as my sole camera. And see if they've worked all their quirks out that we had in the first original GoPro 12 that I bought when they released it. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you, and we'll see you in the next video.